Companies are looking for ideas, and we want you to submit those ideas to those companies. So at inventRight, we're going to bring those companies to you. It's called Open Innovation, and companies need ideas from you. So watch this video, you're going to love it.
I'm Director of Product Development at Fat Brain Toy Co. And we love inventors.
We love inventors. We want new products, and we want you to bring your new ideas to us, and we will help you bring your idea to market.
Hi, my name is David Clark. My company is called Transformers. We're inventors, and we love to help other inventors as well.
We want people to submit their products. We want to work with them. We want all the latest innovation.
Aaron Krause,
the daddy of the scrub dad.
Amazing.
We love to work with inventors. We love to take ideas to market. Come bring them on.
We want your ideas. We're inventor friendly. And basically, we work with a variety of inventors who bring products to us.
Wow, I cannot believe what I'm watching. You know why? One of our students, Scott Bellman, this is his idea. It's at Lifetime Brands. How did this land? Tell me about it.
I came in from an inventRight's kid, and Scott's awesome. And I saw this product about 8 months ago when he showed it to me. We've now worked on it to try to work out some of the kinks. These are first off-tool prototypes. And look, it's right on the aisle here, the biggest house we're showing in the world, so it's thick and butt.
You know what's great about it? Simple idea. Who doesn't love hot dogs? But it's a hassle. Do I have to put them in the barbecue every time or what? How does this work?
So this is awesome because not only does it grill in the microwave your hot dog and it gives it that grilled taste, but it also warms the bun. So when you finish and it pops out, it drains all the juices and it's in a nice warm bun. There's nothing better than a warm bun with a hot dog.
Brilliant idea, simple idea, Lifetime Brands. If you see it, buy it, you'll love it. Thank you, Warren.
We've got 5 or 6 products right on the aisle here at Lifetime Brands that came in from inventors.
I love these simple ideas. If you have one, you need to contact Lifetime Brands.
My name is Ryan Bricker. I invented the Whiskey Wedge. I licensed it to Corksicle, and I'm here at the International House and Homeowners Show in Chicago, where every brand you can imagine is here, and you need to be here to get inspired and to meet companies, talk to them about licensing your idea to them.
Hi, I'm Nick from Zuru, and this is a bunch of balloons. We love working with inventors here at Zuru. This was actually designed by a guy called Josh Malone out of Dallas, Texas. And it's an incredible invention. You can fill entire 100 water balloons in 60 seconds. And if it wasn't for the inventor community creating like all this great innovation, then we wouldn't be able to bring products to market like 100 balloons.
Companies need new ideas to stay innovative. They need ideas from you. But you better be ready, you better be prepared, and you need to educate yourself. So thanks for watching this video.